friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today we're doing a Christmas speed clean with me. Christmas is about just over 2 weeks away, and there are so many things on my to-do list before Christmas, so that way my holidays go smoother once they arrive. We're not doing any extended family gatherings since our limit is 5 in the house, but that doesn't mean that I can make it just as special as previous years with cookies and different types of treats. This is why my kitchen is such a mess. Last night I was doing some Christmas baking and was too tired to clean up everything, and then I had to work this morning and just fast forward, and it was nap time and I was finally just getting to clean. I ordered pizza for lunch just to make it a bit easier on myself. If you do not know, I run a home daycare. So as you saw just before I got into cleaning, as part of my Christmas prep and our dinner tonight, I am making my giant pot of turkey and chicken stock or broth. This will cook for a long while, and the longer it cooks the better, and I will have dinner as well as broth for the freezer to use at Christmas Day. So for my cleaning today, I am using this Allen's vinegar and essential oil cleaner. I have been loving this. It is not harsh, and it gets the job done. So if you need motivation today and get into Christmas spirit, make sure you keep watching.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Sunshine feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Along with the smell of soup, which I absolutely love, I like to light up my candle while I clean, and these two smells combination sure put me into that Christmas mood and a very cozy feeling. My mom used to make this soup every Sunday, and we actually call this soup a Sunday soup. As part of my kids' chores, they alternate who empties the dishwasher, but someone empties it twice a day, so that way I can get all my cleaning done so much faster. I run my dishwasher typically 2 to 3 times a day, so it is important that I have somebody helping me out by emptying it as well. So as you can see, it is empty, and all these dishes, it was just easy peasy just to put them in instead of having to empty them out. I also wash all my coffee mugs. I never put them in the dishwasher. They're my special Disney mugs, and I'm too scared to put them in a dishwasher. I also hand wash most of my knives as well.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this.
This is my power hour cleaning where I try to get as much done while the kids nap. If you are new and stopping by my channel for the very first time, I want to say welcome. So glad that you stopped by. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Here on my channel, you will see real life cleaning with clean with me's as well as tons of decorating inspirations. I run a home daycare and I am a mom of 2 teenagers who are at home now, and my daughter is in her last year of high school online, and my son is doing his first year of university online. I do most of my cleaning during daycare nap time, so you get real life mom look from me all the time. It is what it is real life, and it is messy.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him.
Once I was finished in the kitchen, I moved over into my dining room, and I have a laundry basket full of kitchen rags and placemats that I washed, and they needed to be put away. I also removed my chair, the little booster chair, because it was Friday. I will no longer be needing it. And then I wiped down the table and the chairs as well as my stools over by my breakfast bar. Unfortunately, my camera has this little feature where it shuts off on me after 30 minutes of recording, and I did not realize it has done it, so you only see me cleaning one chair.
Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
And here is a real life moment. I have just finished cleaning my sink and my countertops when my daughter brought all the coffee mugs from her room. Luckily, she did have noggin to actually wash them before she knew I was gonna probably lose it on her if she just left them dirty in the sink. So now I just have to put them away instead of actually washing them as well. Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. Thank you all so much for watching today, and if you are new, so glad that you're here. I will see you all in my next video.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste it.